Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Etsy sales by using the Etsy attribute. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one to be alerted whenever I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to simply using Etsy attributes could increase your sales dramatically. Now, what you want to make sure is that whenever you use Etsy attributes and you're uploading a new listing or maybe editing your old listings, you want to make sure that you only pick attributes that are relevant to what you're selling. So if you are selling a t-shirt that is white and is long sleeve, you want to make sure that you put those attributes that is a white. The white is the color, that the style, it has long sleeve, and that it's a t-shirt. You want to make sure that you use all relevant attributes. You do not want to just start picking anything and everything, because that does have a counter effect on your listing and how your listings rank. So Etsy has a listing score, and whenever you add a new listing to your store, that listing has a neutral score, 0. And that listing is competing with all the other listings that appear in the first page of Etsy. And over time, depending on how many people clicked, interacted, and purchased from you, and other contributing factors are like your reviews, if you have any strikes against your store, how many listings do you have, do you renew all the time? So there's more than just that. But based on how much engagement that particular listing got or not got, that's how you place in the search engine. So it's important that, or in the search results, so it's important that you only pick attributes that match what you sell, because if you put too many and they're not relevant, it also has a negative effect. So let's say I'm going to search for women dresses, right? So this is going to be my actual search. So for women dresses, it comes up to 777,000 listings on Etsy. So that's a lot of listings, and that's a lot to look for. But I know that for my dress, I'm looking for something that is maybe short sleeve. Maybe I'm looking for a particular size. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that. I'm in the plus size. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my size right now. I want to pick a size 14. And what I want to do is I want something, let's say short sleeve. So I'm going to pick short sleeve right here. And let me keep looking at the different attributes that they have. I do like pockets because I like to keep my phone with me at all times. So I like the pocket option. And let's say I'm looking for a dress that is black. So slim me down a little bit. So here you go. So I want a dress that's size 14, that has short sleeve, that has pockets, and is black. So these are all the attributes I pick. I could go as far as pricing. I could pick if I want handmade or vintage, and then I also could pick location. I'm okay with anywhere. Let's say I just want to see what options I have. By doing these attributes, I was able to narrow down my sales, or narrow down my listings to 457 listings, compared to prior it was about, almost a million. It was 722,000 listings. So that's a big change. Now, as you can see, there are people that are using the round relevance. Now, this one does say more colors, so it could be that that's their main picture, but they also sell this type of dress in different colors. So that's okay if you do that. And they're actually really smart for putting here more colors, because if I'm looking for a black dress and the red one pops up for me and that's not what I'm looking for, I'm going to be turned off by it. However, because they have more colors, just for funs and giggles, let's click on this listing. Let's see if they do offer the black color that I want. So they do. Here you go. So this is a great listing for me. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Short sleeve, has pockets, is black. So there you go. And they have the selection of my size that I need. So this, and then here you will pick the color. So this is a prime example of someone that is using the attributes the correct way. And here is the size that I need. So an attribute is going to help you narrow down, when you use it as a buyer, it's going to help you narrow down exactly what you're looking for. And when you use it as a seller, as an Etsy seller, it's going to help you with your competitor. So instead of your listing being lost, when somebody is very specific, as I was, now your listing is going to pop up competing with less people. Now you're competing with 457 people versus before you were competing with like 700,000 people or 700,000 listings. So this is how attributes help you increase your sales. You want to make sure that if you are currently not using attributes, or you feel like you have not maybe just picked anything, you want to take some time, go back to every single listing you have and add the proper attributes. This is really going to help you for people that are looking for something very specific to stand out to those people. And if your product or service click every little attribute that they're looking for, this will help you increase your sales. I can't tell you how many times when I do an Etsy shop critique, or when I do my freelance clients that I have every month, this is one of the biggest things I see that many stores are not using, or they're using incorrectly. You want to make sure you use attributes on every single listing you have, even if only 2 attributes fit what you sell. There are going to be some restrictions or some limitations that some listings you cannot add 5 different attributes. You'll be able to pick 1 or 2, or maybe just the colors only. But it does not matter. Every single attribute that you add to that particular listing acts like a tag. I'll say it again. Every attribute you add to that particular listing is a tag, basically. It's another form of getting found. And the more ways that you get found in Etsy search results, the more click-through rate you get, the more impressions you get, the more views, and that all equals to more sales, which is our ultimate goal, which is increasing our sales. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful when choosing attributes to your store. If you guys have any questions about attributes or any other videos that I could do to help you increase sales, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I want to hear what you guys want me to start implementing, especially for 2020, which is just around the corner. So make sure you leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and check out these videos that I have right now on the screen. I think they're going to really help you do little minor changes in your store, but also help you increase your sales overall. Thank you guys for watching.